How to transfer crypto from Binance Web3 Wallet to Binance Exchange. So after you open up your Binance app like this, go and tap on this deposit. So after you tap on the deposit, now go and search for the crypto you want to deposit from the Web3 wallet. So just go tap on the search and search for the crypto. Let's say I want to send BNB from the Web3 wallet. After you search for BNB, so now here is it now, select the BNB. So from this option now, choose the network. I will use BIP20. Now here is address. After you copy the address of the crypto you want to send from the Web3 wallet, now go back and open the Web3 wallet app. So from this option now, tap on this Web3. After you open the Web3 like this, now go ahead and tap on this asset button. So from this asset, all you have to do now, go ahead and choose the BNB, or you can just tap on this, as you can see now, send button, or you can be able just to see the token that you have in your balance. Just I will use this BNB. After you select the BNB, if you have like some amount of BNB in your wallet, you can be able to see the balance in this option. Because now I don't have any balance, that's why now it is not now giving me the option for the withdraw. It's only now give me the option for receive. If you have the BNB in your wallet, you can be able to see an option which says withdraw or send. If you tap on the withdraw or send, from there you can be able now to add the address and specify the amount. From there to allow you to tap on withdraw. From there the crypto will be sent to your Binance exchanger. That's it, guys. Hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe.